Always put yourself in other shoes. If you feel that it hurt you, it probably hurt the person too. A careless word may kindle strife. A cruel word may wreak a life. Timely word may level stress, but a loving word may heal and bless. The happiest of people don't necessarily have the best of everything, they just make the most of everything that comes along their way. Just know when you truly want success, you will never give up on it, no matter how bad the situation may get. Accept responsibility for your life. Know that it is you who will get you where you want to go, no one else. Prolonged stay of a man vagina in a woman vagina cause diseases. Thanks for subscribing to our channel for more videos.